This gives place to the man kingdom, the next higher expression of God. Then, the man kingdom, every part of which contains the one life, has taken up a part of this one life from the animal kingdom, and, in expressing it one step higher, gives place to the God kingdom, the highest expression through man. When man has attained this kingdom, he recognizes that all have come forth from the one source, that all contain the one life, the life of God, and he has gained the mastery over all material things. But we need not pause here, for all is progression. When he arrives here, he will find there are new worlds still to conquer. Now we come to the place where we recognize that all space or magnitude contains the one life, the life of God, that all is from the one source and substance. Then all substance becomes relative or related, does it not? Here the talk ended. The dinner was finished, and the room was cleared of tables and chairs. There followed a time of frolic and fun, including dance and song with the music furnished by the invisible choir, and all enjoyed a good time together. The evening finally ended in music and song. The invisible choir became visible, walked among those assembled, and at times floated just above their heads. The final ending was one outburst of music, song, and laughter, with all participating. Taken all together, it was the most impressive scene that we ever witnessed. We were told that if we would become quiet, we could hear the music at all times, but it is only on an occasion like this that the chorus accompanies the music. We tried this a number of times afterward and found that we could hear the music. It was always low and beautifully sweet, but it never had the glad free ring of that one evening unless there were a number of the masters congregated. We were told that this music is what has been called the angel choir. They call it the symphony of souls in accord. We stopped in this village 3 days, and during that time saw a great deal of our friends. The evening of the 3rd day, they bade us goodbye and, saying they would meet us at our winter quarters, disappeared.